Why are my cows going bald?
So check out the necks of these two brown red cattle here. See that hair missing? There.
Lice. Ooh.
That happens this time of year when the spring's just around their corner, or spring is here, and that can it can stunt the growth supposedly, and it can even get pretty irritated, almost bleeding like. So I've noticed several of them have that, and I'm gonna spray this pyrethrin on them, help them out. So it's very easy to get them when they're in a squeeze, but you know, you can just feed them some hay and shoot them right here. It'll spray water. Some of them don't like it. They're a little scared, but you know, they need a little help. Help them out.
Happy they will be.
Try not to get it in their eyes.